Hey guys, what if I told you that you could make money just by talking to people online? It sounds too easy, but here's the thing. There are thousands of people out here who are lonely, bored, and just looking for someone to chat with, and they're willing to pay you for your time. You don't need any special skills, a degree, or even experience. All you need is just a phone, an internet connection, and the ability to hold a conversation. So in this video, I'll be showing you 3 legit websites and apps where you can get paid just for chatting with lonely people online. And make sure you watch till the end because I have a bonus tip that can help you even make more money. If you are excited about this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on my money-making tips. The first platform on our list is rentafriend.com. Rent-a-Friend is an online platform where people rent a virtual friend for companionship. This could be for talking, playing games, offering advice, or just casual conversation. The good news is that it is platonic, no weird stuff is involved. So how much money can you make with this website? You are allowed to set your own rates, and some people charge between $10 to $50 per hour just for chatting. Imagine making $100 a day by simply talking to different people for a few hours. Also, the more engaging and friendly you are, the more clients you will attract. Some people even turn this into a full-time income, earning thousands of dollars per month. Also, have multiple ways to communicate so that you can increase your chances of getting hired. Before we move on, this is very important, so listen well. If you don't live in tier 1 countries like America, Australia, UK, and others, you should use VPN for these websites and apps. It is very unlikely that you will find people around you that want to pay you to chat. So most people that won't watch this video fully will sign up or download these apps and wonder why they are not getting any clients. So make sure you use VPN. Next up is rentacyberfriend.com. It works just like Rent-a-Friend, except everything is done virtually. With Rent-a-Friend, you can travel with people, and most of the times you can even be a tour guide or meet up people face to face. But this one, there is nothing like that. This site connects you to people from all over the world who just want to talk to someone. Some people might want to practice a language, get a live advice, have deep conversations, or discuss their interests or hobbies. For this one, you will get paid per chat session. Some users make over $10 to even $500 per month just by chatting online. The more time you spend talking, the more money you make. If you have a unique skill like speaking multiple languages, you can charge more. Be consistent on the website and engage more with the clients. The best part, of course, you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a VPN. Next is an app. You and Me is available as an app and a website on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. You can download it for free and start making money from your phone. So how is this different from the other websites? Unlike the first 2 websites, You and Me is more designed for video chats. On You and Me, users report making anywhere from $50 to $500 per month, depending on how often they chat. And since this is a mobile app, it is super easy to use, and you can even chat while watching TV just on your phone. The pro tip for this is the faster you respond to new chat requests, the more you likely get paid. If you are more comfortable with video chats, this is the app for you. And being friendly and keeping conversations will bring you more clients and better reviews. Now I have the bonus tip. If you are looking for a more profitable way to making money online, I highly recommend affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? It is very simple. You partner with brands, recommend their products, and when people buy through your link, you get paid. I've personally made some money through affiliate marketing, and the best part, you don't need a big following or any upfront investment. There are multiple websites where you can sign up as an affiliate marketer. The biggest one and the one that is for worldwide is Amazon Associates. And now we are at the end of the video. Those were the 3 legit websites and app that you can get paid for chatting online, plus a bonus method to making even more money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on my next video.